Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have the earbuds charged and your phone's Bluetooth on. Start now. Open the charging case and remove both Jabra Elite Active 65T earbuds. They power on automatically. If they do not, press each earbud briefly. Once on, make sure the earbuds are not connected to another device by turning off Bluetooth on other devices. Next, put the earbuds in pairing mode by pressing and holding the left and right buttons together until the LED flashes blue and you hear a voice prompt saying pairing. You should now open your phone's Bluetooth menu and wait for device discovery. Select Jabra Elite Active 65T from the list. If you see multiples, choose the most recent entry. Once selected, accept any pairing prompts and confirm passkeys if shown. Most devices use simple pairing without a code. After pairing, the earbuds will connect and you should hear a confirmation tone and voice. If prompted, grant microphone and media permissions so calling and audio works. Once connected, set media volume moderately and test playback. Finish by opening the Jabra Sound Plus app to check for firmware updates and to personalize equalizer and call settings. Updates improve stability and battery life. Make sure both earbuds sit securely in your ears and perform a sound test. A secure seal ensures bass and microphone performance. Finally, rename the Bluetooth device in your phone if you want identification. Troubleshooting tip. If pairing or audio fail, forget the Jabra entry on your phone. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, place earbuds back in the case 5 seconds, then repeat pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.